Inspiras, a respiratory support technology company, has developed the HYLA blood sensor. This sensor is designed to provide real-time and continuous blood monitoring to alert physicians of immediate signs of changes in a patient's clinical condition. The HYLA blood sensor is designed to reduce the need for invasive medical procedures with the intention of reducing risks, complications and costs. The HYLA blood sensor is a potential target population for a number of procedures, including intensive care unit, ICU, monitoring, invasive mechanical ventilation, extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, ECMO, dialysis and cardiopulmonary bypass. The HYLA blood sensor has not yet been tested or used in humans and is subject to regulatory approval. Inspiras is an innovative medical technology company in the respiratory treatment arena. The company has developed a breakthrough augmented respiration technology, ART, designed to rebalance patient oxygen saturation levels.